Hello guys, my name is Lauren and I hope everybody is happy and healthy. Today I'm gonna plant shallots. So here are the shallots that I want to plant. Um, Most of you knows what shallots are. Stay tuned guys, and I'm gonna plant the shallots. So guys, I'm gonna plant this part first. Yeah, I have here two varieties of shallots. The other variety, golden gourmet, and the other one is red sun. So maybe let's put the red sun here, and on the other part is the red gourmet. Actually, they are already sprouted, but since I don't have so much time, I can only plant them now. So maybe like that. Put that one there. So guys, I'm gonna plant this part. With the, what do you call this variety? Forgot. Golden gourmet. I'm gonna put one there and there, so it mix a little bit anyway, but it's okay though. They are all onions and they call it shallots. So I'm done with this, guys. So guys, I'm finished. I'm gonna water them um later, and yeah, I need a plumber to fix the problem of our garden water. So I'm gonna So hello guys. I have a little bit update about the shallots onions, and yeah, they are still small and some are not yet really out. Some are still so like that and like that because it's still cold. Um the temperature here in the greenhouse is 15, but in the night it dropped to 0 sometimes. And shallots are warm season onions. So yeah, as I've said, that was it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like, and please like this video. And yeah, God bless you all, guys. Bye.